it's Laura Evans here from Unleash Your Potential. Now officially an award-winning entrepreneur. I still can't get used to it. It hasn't sunk in. Yeah, first of all, I just want to say a massive thank you. I have been inundated today with good wishes and comments, and I've even had some video messages of people and people calling me, and I have had the most amazing evening last night and today. So thank you so much to everybody that has taken the time to say congratulations. It just it means so much. It means so much. So I've just come back from the chiropractor to a delivery. Now I've got absolutely no idea what's in here. As you can see, I've not opened it, but I can see that it is from the Great British Entrepreneur Awards, and they did say that we might get a parcel. So I thought I would open it live with you here on Facebook. So before I open it, feel free to pop in the comments, what do you think might be in this box? I mean, it's quite sizable, isn't it? Ali thinks it could be a trophy. Anybody else? Cat's like, I love opening parcels. This is so fun. I know, right? Because I've got no idea. I mean, this is going to be a massive flop, right? If I open this and it's just like a load of marketing. Let's hope it's not, right? Okay, right. Okay, I'm going to open it. Got my scissors ready. So let's see what's inside the box. It's so exciting getting parcels, right? So let's open up. Let's see. Well, it's a brown box. So let's pull it out. Right, nothing else in there. It's like Christmas, isn't it? It's got on the outside, you're a great British entrepreneur. So exciting. Cat's like, it's wine. Cat, I don't think it's gonna be wine. But it's a really nice box. Yeah, right, let's have a little look then, shall we? Let's see. Oh, can't get in it. That's not a good start, is it? You could fashion your own trophy. Yeah, I could. You're right, you could. Right, you ready? I'm going to open it so that you guys can see it at the same time as me. Oh, what's inside here? Congratulations are in order, it says. We wanted to take the opportunity to say congratulations once again for your phenomenal achievements and for winning at the Great British Entrepreneur Awards this year. 2020 has been unquestionably tough with significant business disruptions and market volatility, but the spirit, resolve, tenacity and in many cases optimism amongst the community has been overwhelming. Thank you for being the engine of the Great British economy. We are truly delighted to have you as part of our Great British Entrepreneur Awards alumni. Oh, how exciting is that? From Francesca James, who is the founder of the Great British Entrepreneur Awards. So what have we got in here? Well, first of all, we've got like a load of gums. Oh wow, look at this. Now they did warn us that Lego were their partner this year, and it has been sealed by, you probably can't see this, but it was sealed by the Great British Entrepreneur Award. Right, so let's get the scissors again and let's have a little look what's inside. This is quite exciting. Oh Jesus, I'm rattling it. Listen, please don't tell me I have to make my own award. Look, it's rattling. Oh Jesus. Right, come on, let's open it. Let's see. Oh my God, if they've sent me a box of Lego, they really don't know me at all today. Right, let's look inside. Oh Jesus, it is as well. Lego Ventures. So I've had my trophy sent to me as a bunch of Lego. Blimey. That's gonna take me forever. I think it might just have to stay in the box. Oh my goodness me. Okay, so here is what it's supposed to be. I mean, God, how old was I last time I did Lego? Right, look at this. Okay, so I think that is my trophy. That's hilarious. That is absolutely hilarious. And they've obviously put something in it because it's come in a Sainsbury's bag. Oh yeah, look. It's got a little, I don't know if the camera will focus enough for you to be able to see, but that red bit there, oh there it is, you can see it says Great British Entrepreneur. Well, I have to say I'm not sure I'll be making my own trophy. I just think that's brilliant. Oh my goodness me. Right, there's that. Right, now here's the bit that I think is very useful, honest to God. Who sends out trophies to award winners that are like, make your own trophy? That's just hilarious. Anyway, here we go. This is the bit that I'm much more interested in. This, look at that beautiful, beautiful certificate. 2020 regional winner Laura Evans for Pivot Entrepreneur in Wales. Now that I'm happy about. That, not so much. I mean, goodness me, how long is it going to take people to make their own trophy? You don't make your own trophy, do you? Oh dear. Annie's going, that's so funny. Ali's like, you need a 10-year-old boy. Yeah, right, listen, if anybody's got any kids that are great at Lego, then you are most welcome to build me my trophy. Oh, goodness me. Ali's like, that's hilarious. It's just brilliant. Jackie's like, LOL. Debs is going, Christ, you sent that quick. Yeah, it was on the outside of the packet. It said overnight delivery, so they must have sent them out yesterday. Yeah, Deb, you love Lego. Well, mate, listen, if you want to make me my trophy, I'll happily drop it over. But yeah, that is novel. I'll give them that. That is novel. Anyway, this is a bit I like. It's exciting. Thanks so much, Dan. That's brilliant. Dan's like, I love the Lego cup. Yeah, Dan, I mean, you could probably make it, right? I mean, I'm looking at it going, where did Brady start? Oh, brilliant, Deb. You live in Bridgend. I live in Bridgend. We're in the same local lockdown. Fab. Deb, if you would kindly make me my trophy, that would be amazing, because I'm not making it myself. Anyway, there you go. Well, I thought it would be a bit of fun. I had absolutely no idea what was in this box. Absolutely no idea whatsoever. And I thought, you know what? Let me open it live, and you guys can share it with me. So anyway, but listen, thank you so much anyway for all of your support. I really, really appreciate it. It's absolutely made my day to have so many wonderful messages off everybody congratulating me and thanking me for all the hard work. So yeah, what I'm going to do at some point over the next day or two, I'm going to do another live, and I'm going to share with everybody what went in my application, and I'm guessing what it was that the judges saw. I haven't had any specific feedback, but yeah, I thought it might be useful to share my story and what we talked about, because the Pivot Entrepreneur application that Cuthbert helped me write and that we put in wasn't just about me. It was also about all the amazing small businesses that are in my community, who I also helped during lockdown. And so yeah, and it was a team effort. It wasn't just me, you know, my team and Kalita were instrumental in the way that we helped all the businesses that are in our community. So yeah, absolutely was partly about the achievements I had, but also partly about everyone else. So anyway, so at some point I'll do another live, and I'll share with you what we put in the application. Yeah, thank you so much, Katie. I hope everything's all right over in Egypt. Lovely to see you pop up. So anyway, there you go, folks. That was what's in the box. Yeah, thanks, Deb. If you want to make my trophy for me, that would be amazing. But yeah, that's hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. But there we go. Right, good. Lots of love. See you all soon. Take care. Bye.